Hey everybody, James Wilson here at ICS, and I am so excited this evening to introduce you to Amanda Swindle with Mary Kay Cosmetics and the Pink Cadillac event that we're having this evening. So over to Amanda.
Oh my gosh, so I'm so excited. This is not my Cadillac party this time. This is actually my senior sales director, Jennifer Carr. It's her party, but she's in there doing all the things. And we're here to celebrate her because this is her first Cadillac that she's taking. And whenever somebody earns a free car, we usually do a big old party. But when it's a pink car, it's like elevated. And so we're super excited to celebrate her tonight. Very excited that James lets us come over every time that we have a Cadillac party. And he opens up the space for us. He has the perfect space. He's such an amazing business owner, and I appreciate you, everything that you do. This is one of the cars that you can earn. Right now, it's the pink, it's a third row car that you can earn. It was limited edition, and so she's got this cute little SUV in there. You're gonna have to check it out soon. And then we have the black Chevy Equinox that you can earn also. And then we have the Chevy Malibu that you can earn. Every beauty consultant can earn this car right here. It's so cute. And then we have the limited edition Traverse that you can earn also. That was limited edition, so it's off the rack right now, but you can earn these other three cars, and we're super excited to be celebrating her. So.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so you can follow us on our journey with all these unique, amazing vehicles that we're working on. Thanks for watching.